After an injury, many people are not thinking about hiring a lawyer. They're thinking about their injuries, if they'll get better, what's going to happen to their family, how their medical bills will get paid, and so on. And they should be thinking about these things. But after a crash that ends in injury, it's important to get a lawyer right away. A great example of this is a case that I had where my client was hit by a drunk driver while he was riding on a bus. He spent about a month or so in the hospital before calling my office. He and his family were focused on the immediate issue in front of them, which was his life-threatening injuries. Unfortunately, by the time they were ready to hire a lawyer, the insurance company of the drunk driver had already committed most of the money to the other people who were injured in the crash, even though their injuries were much less serious than my client's. This left my client with a very small amount to cover his expenses. Now, if he had reached out earlier, we would have filed a claim immediately, letting the insurance company know of my client's severe injuries, so they would not disperse the money without him. So the point is, getting a lawyer as soon as possible almost always assures you that you're going to get the most compensation for your injuries. Waiting, especially when other injured people are involved, could cause you to get the leftovers instead of what you really deserve. I'm Blaise Zena with Murphy's Law and Dunn. Just remember, just because it can go wrong, it doesn't mean it has to.